Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect Strava on Ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From where we can get started using the application, and here in the bottom right corner we can get started accessing the theme section. Using the theme section you can choose the theme that you want to go ahead and be a part of and whose workouts you want to follow, and now we can access the home page right here from where we can access the workouts. So let's go and take a look at how to get started connecting your Strava account to the Ladder application. This is going to allow you to automatically sync your strength training workouts to your Strava feed. So you can do this in just a few quick taps through the app settings. You're going to open up the Ladder application and go to your profile page. So here in the upper right corner we can go and click the profile page and then open up the settings in the upper right corner. That's going to enable us to select the connected applications option right here. So as you can see, once we go ahead and scroll down, we can find all the options that we have, such as workout preferences, integrations, and so on. So what you want to do is click on integrations. This is going to enable you to enable health sync right here and third-party variables as well as Strava, as you can see right here. So click on Strava, get started following the steps to set it up and connect it to your Strava account, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.